And now the third over, Ganga Kadam, extra bit of width outside off, chance of a run out, oh, directed, this is going to be close, well, action getting unfolded. Ashita Mahabir has quickly gone up and she wants to check what has gone wrong here, and thankfully for Nepal, this is going to be the biggest call that the third umpire will have to see very closely. Rajiva, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's it's Pun who is running towards the danger end.
Correct. It is Binita Pun. It is Binita Pun. Yeah. It's a direct hit. Binita Pun, the captain. Is she in trouble? And the throw from Sunita Sarte. She has inflicted a lot of runouts in her career, Rajiva. Many runouts with direct hits. And now, from backward of point, what a lovely throw from Sunita Sarte. Probably India have begun the Nepal downfall here in the finals.
Yeah, doesn't look good for Nepal. They are striking batter, the attacking aggressive opening batter, and the skipper will have to walk back definitely. Looks clearly she's inches short of it.
Yeah, Sunita Sarte once again, phenomenal fielder. She's inflicted a lot of runouts. This is going to be very tight, and Nepal will have the biggest disappointment, I feel. The red light, is it? Yes, it is red light. India have taken the wicket of Binita Pun, and look at the joy. They are jumping.
So B1 bowler Choudhu into the attack. That's bowled. Chowdhury will have to walk back. Very first ball in her spell. Choudhu gets a wicket. That's the second wicket down for Nepal. With just 24 runs just after the power play, very first ball.
Nepal කණ්ඩායමේ දෙවන කඩලේ බින්දලා තිනවා පන්දු කිරිම කඩලේ වදිනවා බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ ඇය නිසි පරිදි මෙන්න පන්දුව පුනරුපණය මැදින් එකකින් පන්දුව පැමිණෙන්නේ ඇයගේ පිට ස්පර්ශවත් දී තනතිල්ල
including 3 wides. Nepal 29 for 2. Given LBW. Anu Kumari striking. That was plumb in front to get rid of Tamang. A B1 bowler getting rid of a B1 batter. That's plumb in front.
රජ්‍ය විතාමත් සාර්ථක පන්දයමක් මායවැලි කියන්නට උත්සාහ කළා අපි දැක්කා. කුමාරි පන්දු යවන්නට පැමිණෙට මේ සහායක ක්‍රීඩිකාව පැමිණලා නියමිත දිශානිතව ඒව තබල යනවා. ඉන් පසු තමයි ඒ පන්දු යමු කරන්නේ. අතිනුත් කල්ලනවා වන්ද.
Almost. She was going to touch the ball.
Play well with the ball.
Yeah, Sumera Malik also another B1 because we need to have 4.
Oh, he's got another directed. Yes. Ashita Mahabir wants to check it. Is that Sunita Sarte once again? Well. What has she done in the field today in this finals? Breaking the partnership at the right time with a brilliance in the field.
Very close. She's gone.
Oh.
Yeah, that could be the end of right.
Yeah. 61 run partnership broken there, I think, Rajiva. 65.
Yeah, definitely. She's inches short. Quick single. Sunita.
Wow.
Is she bowling? Is she a bowler?
She does roll her arm over.
But she is a player who doesn't need to bowl, but she can pick up wickets for India.
Exactly. That's why I call her the Jaunty Rhodes of India. Of course, Yuvraj Singh did bowl and Ravindra Jadeja did bowl for India, but she is a different class.
This is a very big advantage India has.
Yeah.
A fielder who can pick up wickets without bowling. Satre, Sunita Satre to get rid of Binita Pun. And now Rai, 2 direct hits. Look at this.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, nothing to check. She's very short. Very short.
Sunita Sarte has bowled 2 overs. Of course, she started off with a little bit of a wide delivery. But the fielding is her main forte. Red light should come along. And Bimla Rai, has been given out. Dismissed.
Few dot balls against the B1 batter.
You see, Deepika TC is spoiled for choices, isn't it? See, if you look at the bowling lineup, apart from Jamna Rani Tudu, nobody's even completed the quota of 4 overs. Everybody's just bowled 2 overs, and Nepal is struggling. Chance of run out again at the bowler's end. Directed once again. This is the third directed, and I think that's coming from the captain, Deepika TC herself. What brilliance in the field today by India in this finals.
Brilliant. Look at that underarm crash in the stumps, and I think it's the batter Maya.
Yeah.
She was assisted by, this is Binita Pun, is it?
Correct.
She was not even half. She was not in the half of the frame of the surface. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, she's not even there close. I think when the
It's all just boiling down to Binita Pun's run out, and also, Gimire batted really well, Sarita Gimire, and
got Binita Pun, the first wicket to fall, just 5 runs, and Chowdhury 8, Tamang got 6 runs, but Rai contributing 26 runs, and Gimire not out on 33, and Somai got 9 runs, 25 extras only. They have that discipline in the bowling attack, and to restrict Nepal for just 114 runs for the loss of 5 wickets in the 20 overs.
25 extras, 23 wides. India, yeah, you can take that in a 20 over format, but that's okay. Because yesterday Pakistan did not come into the finals because of their extras. But look at that bowling lineup. Nobody apart from Jamna Rani Tudu has completed 4 overs. She had.
And Deepika TC and Anika Devi, they are very aggressive.
Indeed, a big final. Yes, we do know that India are very good at chasing. But considering it's a final, Rajiv, do you think that the Indian batters might feel a little bit of pressure, especially the final pressure?
I don't think, because these all 3 batters have got half centuries. So I think in
තරගයේ ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්නේ ඉන්දියාවද නොයසේ නම් දුෂාබාදිත ලෝක කුසලාන කාන්තා T20 ක්‍රිකට් තරගාවලියේ ශූරතාව හිමි කරගන්නේ 2025 වසරේදී ඉන්දියාවද නේපාලද යන්න ඉතිරි පන්දු වාර 20 තුල තීරණය වෙනවා ඇති. නවීන්.
Thank you, Darshan, for welcoming in, and thank you so much, Iran and Rajiva, for that quick chat in the mid show. As Deepika TC, the captain, will open the innings there for India, and alongside with her, of course, is Aneka Devi Thakur. Big inclusion for her, Darshan, in this side, because this is her debut for India. Very first time she's been picked and directly been playing in the World Cup. So that is really nice. Aneka Devi Thakur, there you go. India have had a lot of glory, of course, in the and second innings about to begin here, and first ball from Kanti to Deepika TC. Played away fine. Single, India up with the chase.
පන්දියෝගී පන්දුවේ ආරම්භ කරනවා නේපාල කණ්ඩායම වෙනුවෙන් ලකුණු 115ක් ජයග්‍රාහී ඉලක්කයේ ඉන්දිය කණ්ඩායම ඉන්දිය කණ්ඩායමේ නායිකාව සහ තවත් දක්ෂිණ පිළිකාරණයක් වුන් දෙදෙනා තමයි.
When the ball is bowled outside leg stump, she hits the drive behind the keeper. That's something that's really nice. Straight to the hands. Chance of a run out here. India lose Deepika TC. Is it? No, it is Aneka Devi Thakur who's run out. Well. Nepal strike first blood. And like I was keep on mentioning about this one, anything and everything is possible in cricket. Aneka Devi Thakur dismissed. Can you believe this? Nepal will be really happy with this one.
This is what I was talking about in the show. You need to get rid of the first 3 wickets. One is Aneka Devi, and the other one is Deepika TC, and also Sibudas, the top 3 batters of India.
I think we have a match on our hands, Rajiva, Darshan. It's a good start for Nepal, and make sure everybody watching get a good game to watch.
එක ඔබ ජයග්‍රහණය කරයි නැත්නම් ඔබ ඉගෙන ගනි.
Quickly played in the cap. Right, Karuna Kumari gets through that field towards that backward of point region, 2 runs. So that means 4 runs on the board. So whatever B1 batter bats off the bat, it's counted as double runs only off the bat. So that is 4 runs on the board. Karuna Kumari getting that 4 runs.
B1 ක්‍රීඩිකාව පහරක් කෙල්ල කළ විට එයට දෙගුණයක් ලකුණු ලැබෙනවා. ඒ තත්ත්වය තුළ තමයි මේ ලකුණු දෙක වෙනකොට ලකුණු 4ක් කණ්ඩායමට එක් වෙනවා. එයයි මේ තරගනේ. ඒ නිසා තමයි දැන් මුල් ලකුණු සංඛ්‍යාව ලකුණු 10ක් වන්නේ. කුමාරි ලකුණු 4 එක් පන්දුවක් ලකුණු 4ක් කියලා ලබා ගන්න තිබෙනවා.
Yeah, first ball she faced and she got that couple of runs, and they appeal for that one. Yeah, it was striking her on the bat. Of course, there Asita Mabir saying no, not out.
අඩුල මුවා කිරීමේ වරදට හසුර ගැනීමට ඉල්ලීම පන්දුව තරමක් වේගයෙන් පැමිණෙනවා. පසු පාදයේ පන්දුව පසදවන්නේ වදින්නේ පිටේ වැදුනාද?
I think going down the leg side. Maybe that's why The LBW was not been ruled in favor of Nepal. See, this is the pressure.
We'll say B3, who should be replaced?
Correct. There will be another new cycle that will start. So the team management can decide. Now that's a very good ball played away towards the short backward of point. 1 run, so that will be 2 runs on the ball. Overthrow, Nepal. They need to tighten things up here. It's a B1 batter who scored that one, so another 4 runs added to the tally as well. So we're just trying to say, who needs to be replaced. That depends on the team management, because next cycle is a different cycle. Mentioning about Simu Das, there Karuna Kumari has come out, right? So India did not feel that they will lose that wicket first up. Another good shot from Karuna Kumari. That's gone in the gap as well. Another 4 runs will be added to the total if they complete that one. Oh, the fielding effort once again from Binita Pun. The throw was not in very straight.
Karuna Kumari B1 ක්‍රීඩිකාවක් නිසා එල්ල කරන හැම පහරකටම අත්යක ලකුණක් කරන නොයසන ලකුණු දෙකක් ලබා ගත්තොත් ඒ ලකුණු 4ක් බවට පරිවර්තනය වෙනවා ලකුණු 4ක් ලබා ගත්තොත්
हम लोग एक टीम फॉर्म करेंगे तो हम बात कर रहे थे कि मेहरीन अली हमारी ओपनर होगी रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में और नेपाल से बिनीता पुन होगी कैप्टन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड अगेन दैट इज बीइंग स्कोर्ड अवे नाइटली टुवर्ड्स पॉइंट. तो आपका क्या विचार है उसके बारे में, रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वर्सेस इंडिया के बारे में? पर श्रीलंका का कैप्टन है मिहिरानी, तो वो भी रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड टीम में आ सकती हैं, आप भी आ सकते हो. और बिनीता पुन जैसे अभी जो हियर ओनली एंड आपने जब 230 बनाया नीलंका द कोच इज हियर. श्रीलंका के खिलाफ आपने जो 230 बनाया उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. दर्शना दैट बॉल गोज टुवर्ड्स डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर. बिनीता पुन लुक्स ओके. सारे गैप को आप पियर्स करती हैं वहां पर. तारीफ मिला है श्रीलंका कोच से. She says thank you. Yeah, I think Nilanka can say that in singular as well. Yeah, Nilanka singular. Come on, say that.
මේගොල්ලන්ගේ මම පුහුණු සැසියක් යනවා මම හිතන්නේ වැඩිම මහන්සි වෙන්නේ මේරින් අලි.
Oh, hang on, is there a run out? Yes, there is a run out. Nilanka, Deepika TC has been run out at the bowler's end. This is a big wicket for Nepal. Well. Karuna Kumari played that one straight to Sarita Ghimire. Is this a twist in the tail? Is this what Nepal really wanted? Deepika TC, the captain, has been run out. Brilliant effort on the field there by Sarita Ghimire. They are putting up a good fight. Very good fight as Pula Soren is ready to go and walk in. Yeah, of course, Mehreen Ali is happy with Deepika TC's wicket going down. We will speak to Mehreen Ali. 33 for 2 India. And also Mihrani.
මිහිරානි ශ්‍රී ලංකා කණ්ඩායමේ නායිකාව පිට එක්ක ඉන්නවා. මේ තරගාවලිය පිළිබඳව අපි විශාල බලාපොරොත්තුවක් තබාගෙන හිටියා ශ්‍රී ලංකා.
I think Nilanka will be the best plan. How is Nilanka as a coach? Tell something that we don't know of Nilanka. Tell.
පුහුණු කර පිළිබඳව සහ පුහුණු කරගෙන සහ කළමනාකාරීත්වයෙන් කණ්ඩායමක් විදිහට ඔබට ඉස්සරහින් ලැබුණ
मतलब अपनी पूरी एनर्जी लगा रही थी हिट करने के, लेकिन ये था कि इसका घास इतना ज्यादा था और दूसरी बात मेरी टांग में पहले दिन से ही पेन है.
Where the grass was too much, the moment when she saw the ground, she thought boundary scoring here may be a little difficult.
මෙහෙරින් අයිට අවශ්‍ය තිබුණා පාකිස්තාන කණ්ඩායම තරමක් වේගය අඩුවෙන් යන්නේ කනකුල ප්‍රමාණය නිසා. ඒ නිසා ඒට හැකියාවක් ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ සුදුසේ පහරවල් එල්ල කරලා තමගේ කණ්ඩායම ජයග්‍රහණය කරා රැගෙන යනවා.
Yeah, totally. And once again that quick single that was being taken in, the fielding there, Mankeshi Chaudhary, she could have collected the ball.
वर्ल्ड कप सुन के मैंने तो कभी ख्वाब में भी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं वर्ल्ड कप खेलूंगी, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, मुझे बहुत खुशी है.
So sweet. She says she's very happy to get participated in the World Cup as well as Pula Soren plays that ball towards deep backward.
විශේෂයෙන්ම සඳහන් කළ යුතුයි මේ ගිය සතියේ ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට මිලියන 2ක් සංචාරකින් පැමිණීම සනටන් කරා. දර්ශනීය පහරක් එල්ලවෙනවා. අය පොයින්ට් කලාපේ 4 ආසනයේ නතර කර ගන්නවා. එකම අපිට ගොන්තරවල ආරංචි වගේ දැනගන්න ලැබුණ මිලියන 2ක සංචාරකයන් ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට පැමිණි බව ඉතින් අපි විශේෂයෙන්ම සඳහන් කළ යුතුයි. ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ විදේශ විනිමය වැඩි සංඛ්‍යාවක් ලැබෙන මාර්ගයක් තමයි සංචාරක ව්‍යාපාරය. අපි සියලු දෙනා මේ සංචාරක ව්‍යාපාරයට උදව් කළ යුතුයි එදා මෙදා සහ අනාගතයේදී.
Indeed, without supporters, we can't make these tournaments a success. So thank you for all the sponsors and the supporting teams for coming forward to support this first ever T20 Women's World Cup for the Blind 2025. 5.4 was done. 48 for 2. In fact, we do have overthrows. So we have to wait and see. Couple more runs.
තරඟාවලිය සාර්ථක කරන ලබා දුන් සහයෝගය.
That has been played towards the long on region. Just the 1 run will be added to total. 5 points. These doubles. 4 doubles in this over so far. And that has been swept and swept into the gap. Probably they might come for a second run. Stood out. She has showcased her skills and what she is capable of. This has been a brilliant innings. There you go. Beautifully placed again. So the important fact is that when a B1 batter is batting out there, every run that she's clear, 58 more runs required for India of 83 deliveries. That's a lovely shot. And well, that will be the first boundary of this big final of the first Women's T20 World Cup 20. Interestingly, after how many overs? After 26 overs in this game, a bit of misfield at deep square leg. So that's the first. That's another sweep shot. Probably another boundary. Indeed, the total moves up to 66 for the loss of 2 wickets. There you go. Going down on one knee and a beautiful shot. Indeed, no matter who wins and who loses, participation is important. That's another beautiful shot. This time by Kumari. She'll come back for a couple of runs, which means there will be 4 more runs added to the... Once again, a good shot from Kumari. A chance of a run out. Chance of a run out. Goes a begging. Well. Bit of misfield. If it was...
වැරදි පැත්තට පන්දු යොමු කරේ මුලින්ම පන්දු යොමු කරා නම් පන්දු යවන අන්තය නමුත් ක්‍රීඩිකාවන් දෙදෙනා ඒ අවස්ථාවේදී හරියාකාරව පන්දු රැගගත්තේ නැහැ රැගගත්තා නම් වෙන දිශාව තෝරා බේරගන්න තරම ඉහළින් පන්දු යොමු වෙනවා
down the track Saren
සියලුම ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ට අපේ ප්‍රණාමය මේ අවස්ථාවේදී පුද කරනවා
once again a lovely shot to the offside looking for a second run but turns it down but
ප්‍රශ්න ඕන මිනිස්සුන් නිතර මේක බොරුවක් කරන්නේ කකුල රිදෙනවා කියලා යන්න නමුත් සබ්ස්ටිටියුට් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම උලන් නීතියක් තියෙනවා ක්‍රීඩාව.
Once again a beautiful shot from Kumari.
මනසින් වැටෙන්න හොඳ නැහැ. වාසල් දරුවම වල පිළින්න කරන්න ඕන. මෙන්න දෙවියමක් සඳහන් වෙනවා. කඩුල්ල මුවා කිරීමේ වරදට හසු වුණාද? එහෙම නැත්නම් ස්ටම්ප් කිරීමක්ද? බලමු.
Well that's the really played a part. There you go, straight in line with the stumps. She missed it altogether. A bit of inside edge from the pads towards the wicket. What a knock, there you go. Standing ovation from the team members for Karuna will be added to the total. There you go. There's a quick look at the previous wickets. A bit of touch into the pads and directly onto the stumps.
පන්දුව කුමාරගේ පාදයේ වැඩි තමයි කඩුල්ලට මොනර කඩුල්ලේ ඔබ දකින්නේ කළු පාති කොටසක් තියෙනවා මේ B1 ක්‍රීඩිකාවන් ක්‍රීඩා කරද්දී හරියටම පන්දුවේ කළු පාති කොටස වැදුනොත් තමයි බෝල්ඩ් එක කියලා සලකන්නේ නැත්නම් කඩුල්ල දෙවි ගියාසේ සලකන්නේ රතු පාට කොටස වැදුනා නම් දෙවියමක් නැහැ ඒ B1
has been a bit expensive well down the track just over the bowler's head probably come back for a second run valiant effort from Damla trying to get a little bit of thing 2 more runs added to the total
ඉහළින් පන්දුව එල්ලවන්නේ කිසිවෙතත් හානියක් නැහැ උඩ පන්දුව කියලා රැගෙන්නට අවකාශ නැහැ දැන් ලකුණක් එකතු වුණා දැන් 89 වෙනි ලකුණයි සටහන් වන්නේ
maybe couple of wickets had a little bit of pressure make things interesting that has been swept and swept hard right into the gap at the deep square leg boundary for 4 more runs Saren, she continues on a merry way. She moves up to 30 of 18. India moves up to 93 for the...
එකම තාමත් විශිෂ්ට පහරක් හැරලා පඩා විවාදෙම නම් ගන්න පුළුවන් shot of the match.
There are 2 fielders protecting the boundary. This time straight down the ground. Should be a couple of runs. Yes, that's very good running between the wickets. It's a gloomy weather, no threat of rain. Players should be feeling comfortable as well out there, especially with no sun. There's a beautiful cloud covering, so it has been going on well so far. 3 wickets. That's again beautifully played through the backward of point region. They'll come back for a second run. The total moves up to 99 for 3 now. Well, fortunately, Rajiv, I'm pretty sure you're going to have very little number of deliveries to commentate.
Yeah, maximum.
Navin is
Maximum
waiting
2
behind
overs.
to grab my seat. Navin, I have one more delivery.
So Navin, happy man? Have a nice seat next to me. 100 up. 100 up in the last ball. And then they scamper through for another single.
Yeah, 101.
Misfield.
Happy because the entire World Cup is really nice. Not because just India is winning. The entire World Cup has come out really well. The SBI first ever Women's T20 World Cup combined 2025, 101 for 3.
For 60-odd runs, but still they couldn't manage to capitalize the strike rates of the batters.
There is Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, the chairperson of the SBI first ever Women's World Cup for the Blind 2025. She's been there as a big support as a chairperson for. Thank you so much, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, ma'am. Thank you so much for your support as well for the entire World Cup for all the teams. Yeah, again, that's a single again towards deep backward square leg. Yeah, right. Rival captains at the same time in the commentary box. That too against.
Almost on the verge of winning this first ever Women's T20 World Cup for the Blinds. And then everyone is gonna cheer for the winning team, because this is an event where everyone has got together to make it a success.
And that's the smile of the captain. Deepika TC says it all. It's just touching distance now, that trophy, that big title of world champions. It's coming in. Diva Rai comes into the attack, the B1 bowlers, because this will be the first B1 bowler coming in, because they have to bowl 8 overs, so 12 overs done, and you can't stop them. Pula Soren hits it hard. Is that what it is? Is that the boundary? That's it. That is what it is. India lift the World Cup. And there they go running. The winning runs coming in from Pula Soren. In 2023, they lifted the goal in Itza goal. And here in 2025, the Indian women's blind cricket team has lifted the World Cup. They win this by 7 wickets. They have started to script history for a long time coming, and this is a massive feat here for India. Unbeaten in the entire tournament, Rajiva, and this is the happy side that we are all witnessing for.
Beautiful.
The entire contingent of India, that is how India got the World Cup. Big shot from Pula Soren, 4th boundary, and she ends it in style. There we go, India lift the World Cup.
Yeah, definitely. Wanted a boundary. He wanted a boundary to finish things up, and she gets it. The Tigress, Baguni, winning runs for India with a boundary, and then India wins again. Nepal, hats off to them. Hats off, really. The only team that couldn't beat India, but they have beaten everyone else. Everyone else in this World Cup, but they couldn't beat India.
Correct. And what a moment now. The Honorable Prime Minister of Sri Lanka will come down here to give the trophy herself to the champions. What a proud moment. Really, that is so nice to be going out there, and these visuals speak the stories. Tears of joy. They have created history in the diamond-etched letters on a golden letter. There you go, Deepika TC in tears. The manager, of course, there she is, Shikha Shetty. She's travelled all alongside the team.